Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and where to turn on the keep screen on while we are looking at it. For example, we can have our screensaver or whatever turned on to make our screen go dark after a few seconds, few minutes, etc. But when this function is turned on, our phone our screen won't turn off while our camera is seeing our face. So where to find it? Settings, then advanced features, motions and gestures, and here it is. Keep screen on while viewing. And it does exactly what it says. Keep the screen on while you are looking at it, using the front camera to detect your face. Remember, if we have our camera disabled, this function won't work. So turn it on, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.